Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Medal.tv optimized and make less FPS drops. So basically what we'll need to do is go to the settings and right here scroll down until you see Windows OS settings. And right here you'll see UI hardware acceleration. Make sure it is turned on, and right here you'll see disable Windows game mode. So make sure this is turned on too. And now, if you go to the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, we'll need to click on manage GPU settings and make sure your hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. And if it was off, you'll need to restart your PC to make changes. So basically, you'll need to click on and then restart your computer. After that, what we'll need to do is go to the notifications, and we want to make sure to turn off desktop notifications so it will make less laggy. After that, for the overlay, you can keep it on or just turn it off. And right here in the clipping settings, in the quality, you'll need to select a custom, and right here for the resolution, select full HD. And FPS 60, then bitrate on 10, for the video encoder GPU, and right here select your main GPU, and for the codec select H264. And that's pretty much it guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.